Your Excellency, a few MCAs of Nyamira uttered some words that are not palatable to us in Kisii County. Keroka, part of it and most of it, for the 10 years we have been in evolution, belongs to Kisii County. Nobody is going to take an inch of Kisii County, whether it is Governor Nyaribo or those MCAs who talked. Let them know that we are equal to the task, and whatever is required, we shall do to protect Kisii County. That I can tell you. Number two, we as elected leaders, whether in Nyamira or Kisii, we need to respect our senior. You are the CEO. We respect Governor Nyaribo whenever we meet him. So I want to urge our colleagues in Nyamira to respect our governor in Kisii, because it is the sign and symbol of unity of Kisii County. He was elected by the majority of Kisii County to govern. So let us support him to govern, and I want to tell the MCAs of Nyamira, if there are issues, we can engage them. Let them engage us and not the governor. The governor can engage at their level so that we are able to discuss this matter.
Hawataki kujenga economy yao ya Nyamira. Unapata wamemaliza assembly at 4. Wote magari zao zinakimbia kuja Kisii na wanaishi hapa Kisii wote. Hata speaker wao, bendera yako naiona namna hii, namalizia hapa Kisii. Sasa kama walali Nyamira, economy ya Nyamira itajengwa namna gani? Alafu wanatutusi. Hata Keroka tumejenga, sasa wanataka kuenda Keroka. We are warning you people. Wanakuja hapa jioni wanatutusi. Na tuko na wao wakati giza imeanza kuingia.